Hi guys, again, Audi A1 1.4 TFSI turbo. I'm gonna do the oil change, just the oil filter down. I'll show you what the drain plug is. Quite awkward. Basically it's there. It's a 19 mil. It's very tight for some reason. Just the drain plug down. Yeah, just in case. Start the door. Inaccessible. Take the shield off. It's got about 8 screws. Drop it on the floor. That's very awkward. Do it by hand now. Stop all that. The manual says it's about 3.6 liters. We're gonna find out now. Drain plug. Hopefully it's not more than 5 liters, because that one not gonna hold more than 5 liters, so let's hope it's fine. Alright guys.
Imagine the Caribbean Sea crashing against your legs.
I'll try to show you how to take the oil filter out.
Of your refreshing coconut water.